Okay, is it the screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the previous lecture, we seen that how to solve the partial differential equation by Charles-Pitts method. Okay, what is the auxiliary equation of Charles-Pitts method? Dx upon Fp is equal to dy upon Fq is equal to dz upon Pfp into Qfq is equal to minus dp upon Fx plus Pz is equal to minus dq upon Fy plus Qfz. So this is the auxiliary equation of Charles-Pitts method. Okay, now we see some standard types of partial differential equation. Okay, look at here. Okay, so these are the example I have given to us to solve. Okay, have you solved it? ओके प्रत्येक वेळेस मी विचारणार नाहीत बरं का तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह केलंय का नाही मी माझं काम करतोय तुम्ही तुमचं काम करा ओके द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज some standard types. Okay, now first type of partial differential equation, first standard type to solve the partial differential equation. If f is the function, okay, type 1. F is the function, small f is the function of only p and q, okay, is equal to 0. In the partial differential equation, only p and q are present and x, y, z are absent. Okay, then how to solve this type of example? Now, give it as an equation number 1. F of pq is equal to 0 with the partial differential equation which does not involve the terms x, y, and z. Okay, the dependent variable x, z, and independent variable is x and y. Okay, x, y, z explicitly. Okay, what is the meaning of explicitly? It's directly. Okay, in this function, f of pq is equal to 0, the x, y, and z terms are absent directly. Okay, then how to solve this type of examples? Look at here. Now we have the auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation are, okay, what is the auxiliary equation? Dx upon Fp is equal to dy upon Fq is equal to dz upon Pfp plus Qfq, which is equal to minus dp upon minus dp upon Pfz.
PFC.
Okay, what is the fz here? Differentiate the equation 1 with respect to z.
0.
So we will get 0. So here minus dp upon 0. Okay, similarly minus dq upon qfz. What is qfz? Fz is 0. So here we get 0. Okay, now considering the last two ratios. Consider the last two ratios. Okay, so what we get? That is minus dp is equal to 0. It implies, what is integrating? We get p is equal to what? A. Okay, and or sorry, or if we consider this ratio, minus dq is upon 0, it implies integrating we get q is equal to a. Okay, either we get p is equal to a or q is equal to a. Now give it as an equation number 2. Okay, now solve the equation 1 and 2. This equation 1 and 2 we get. Solve
Sir,
Hello,
them.
sir.
Okay,
The
any
sir,
problem?
substitute
student
want to.
करायचंय.
Okay. Okay. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get hmm, it implies what is p is equal to a. What is implies p minus a is equal to 0, or wait a minute. After solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the putting p is equal to a in equation number 1. Okay, so I get the function q in terms of a. Okay, now solving equation 1 and 2, that is put x is equal to, sorry, p is equal to a in equation 1. So what we get then? It will implies q is the function of phi of a. तुमच्याकडे equation 1 काय आहे? F is the function of p, q and 0. If I put p is equal to a in this equation 1, so I get q is the function of a. Okay, then the ordinary differential equation dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay, so what is the value of p here? Dz is equal to a into dx plus what is the value of q? It is the function of a into dy. So integrating, we get what we get? Z is equal to ax plus phi of a. This is the constant now here. Phi of a is the constant. So phi of a into y plus integration constant is b. So this is our complete integral of equation 1. So is the complete integral of equation 1. Okay. So this is the method to solve the given partial differential equation if the function f contains only p and q. Okay, so x, y, z are absent if. Okay, now look at the example. Example number 1. If p plus q is equal to 1. Okay, now in this equation, put directly p is equal to a. Now look at here. F is the function, implies p plus q is equal to 1. What it implies? So p plus q minus 1 is equal to 0. It implies f of pq is equal to p plus q minus 1, which is equal to 0. So what is here? F is the function of only p and q. Okay. So directly we put p is equal to a in given partial differential equation. So what we get now? Which implies q is equal to 1 minus a. Okay. Now put p is equal to a. Now here, look at here. Q is the function of a. It is q is the function of phi of a. Okay. This one. Now put p is equal to a and q is equal to 1 minus a in equation dz is equal to p dx plus u dy. Okay, so here dz is equal to a into dx plus 1 minus a into dy. Okay, so integrating, we get z is equal to ax plus 1 minus a into y, and the integration constant is b. So this is the required required complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt in this example?
No, sir.
Or in the type 1, if f is the function of p and q only, then directly put p is equal to a and q is the function of, then we get phi of a. ओके, पुन्हा तुम्हाला इथे पुन्हा ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन वगैरे घ्यायची गरज नाही. ओके, सेटला अशा प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल येऊ शकतात. शॉर्ट मेथडने लगेच आन्सर काढायचे आणि आन्सर पुट करून आन्सर ठेवायचे. तुम्ही क्लोराइड्स फॉर्म एक शिकला असेल. डू यू नो क्लोराइड्स फॉर्म? z is equal to px plus qy plus f is the function of pq. थर्ड इयरला झालेलं बीएससी थर्ड
Yes, sir.
इयर. ते सुद्धा एक स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म आहे. ओके, पुढे येईल. So this is the first type. Now, the second example. Solve this one. P into Q is equal to C. So here we get P into Q minus C is equal to 0. What it implies? F of PQ is equal to P into Q minus C is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 1. Now solve and tell me what is the complete integral of given differential equation. सॉल्व करते ना?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व करा आणि सांगा आन्सर काय.
Sir,
Hmm?
sir, it is z is equal to ax plus dy upon a plus b.
Very good. So this is the complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay. Put P is equal to A. What we get then? A into Q
Sir.
Sir, unmute yourself.
Off. No, sir. You are not audible. Sir, unmute करा तुम्ही.
speaker charging something. Okay. Hence, if Q is what we get, then Q is equal to C upon A. So hence, dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy. Okay. So here dz is equal to what is the value of P? A. A into dx plus what is the value of Q? C upon A into dy. Okay. Now integrating we get z is equal to ax plus c upon a into y plus b. Okay, so this is our complete integral. Okay, now the second type. Type 2. If suppose f is the function of z, p and q, okay, is equal to 0. Here x and y are absent directly, explicitly. So this is the equation number 1. Be the partial differential equation which does not involve x and y explicitly. Okay, f is the function of only z, p and q. Now what is the auxiliary equation? The auxiliary equation R. Dx upon Fp is equal to dy upon Fq is equal to dz upon Pfp plus Qfq is equal to minus dp upon Pfz. Okay, fx plus Pfz पाहिजे हो ना, but what is fx here? What is fx? 0. So 0 plus Pfz is
0.
Pfz, which is equal to minus dy dq upon fx plus qfz na. So here fx is 0. So here we get q into fz. Okay. Now consider the last two ratios. Consider the last two ratios. What we get? Minus dp upon pfz is equal to minus dq upon qfz. Okay. So it implies dp upon p is equal to fz get cancelled here. Okay, so here we get minus minus plus. So here we get dq upon q. Now integrating, what we get? Log p is equal to log q plus log a. So this is the integration constant, which implies p is equal to, look at it, log p is equal to log a into q. Okay, which implies p is equal to aq. So this is the value of p. Okay, now what put this value p is equal to aq in the given partial differential equation. Put p is equal to aq in given PDE. So what we get? Then f is the function of z. What is the p? aq and q, which is equal to 0. Okay, now solve this for q. Okay, f is the function of z and q here now. So what is the value of q? Then small q is equal to, that is q is the function of a and z. Okay, a and z येईल ना तुमचा, q is the function of. So this is the equation number 2. Then thus putting the value of q in this equation. So here we get small p is equal to a into q. What is q? Capital Q of a into z. So this is equation number 3. Hence, putting the value of small p and small q in dz is equal to p dx plus q into dy, which implies dz is equal to what is p? A into q of az into dx plus what is q? Q of az into dy. Okay, which implies dz upon this function of q is the function of a and z. Okay, taking common and taking to the left side, which is equal to a dx plus dy. Okay, now integrating, we get integration upon dz upon q of a z is equal to integration of a dx plus dy. Okay, this is the integration, which is equal to, so this is integration of dz upon q is the function of a and z into what is the integration of this one is ax plus y. Their integration constant is b. Okay, so this is the required complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt in the second type? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता.
No, sir.
Okay, now look at the example. Example number 1. Find a complete integral of the equation Z P Q minus P minus Q is equal to 0. Okay, now look at here. The given partial differential equation is in the form of f of p q z. Okay, so here x and y terms are absent. Okay, so this is f of x, sorry, p q and z is equal to z p q minus p minus q is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation number 1. Now we get the value of p was what? P is equal to aq here. Okay, p is equal to aq. Now putting directly p is equal to aq in the above given differential equation. Now putting the value of p is equal to aq in equation 1. So we get z is equal to what is the p? aq. So here a into q is q square. Okay, minus what is value of p? aq. And this is q as it is equal to 0. Okay, which implies z into a, taking q common here. Okay, into q minus a minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so implies z into a into q minus a minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 0. This term is taking towards the right side. Then z into a into q is minus a minus 1 is equal to 0. Which implies z into a into q is equal to 1 plus a. Which implies z is equal to, sorry, q is equal to q is equal to 1 plus a upon z into a. Okay, that is what? Q is the function of capital Q of a and z na. आता मिळालं तुम्हाला इकडे q is the function of capital A and Z. Equation number 2. Okay. So we have P is equal to what? A and Q, which implies P is equal to A into what is Q? Here, 1 plus capital A into AZ, which is equal to 1 plus A into upon Z. So this is the value of P. Okay, now putting values of small p and small q in dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. And what we get? It implies dz is equal to what is p? 1 plus a upon z into dx plus what is q? A into, sorry, 1 plus a upon az, okay, into dy. Solve this and tell me the directly integration, complete integral. येईल सॉल्व करता करा सॉल्व. करताय ना?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व करा आणि आन्सर सांगा.
So is it z is equal to 1 plus a into x plus y upon a plus b?
Z is equal to
I've taken 1 plus a common, x plus y by a plus b.
x plus y by a. जवळपास
Yes, sir.
आहे तो. बघा सॉल्व करतो मी लक्ष.
upon 2 येते सर.
which implies
Z square upon 2, sir.
z z square is equal to
Z
2
square
into
upon
1 plus a upon a
Yes, sir, z square.
ax plus y plus ab. Is it correct? बघा नीट लक्ष द्या. z into dz is equal to
Sir, z
taking
square
here
is
z.
equal to
z
1
square is
plus
equal
a
to
upon a 1 plus a upon a in bracket 2ax plus y plus ab येतं.
correct. This is the answer. Z square is equal to 2 into 1 plus a upon a into ax plus y plus ab. Okay, look at here. Z dz into taking 1 plus a common here. Okay, so here the dx plus 1 upon a into dy. Okay, look at here, which implies z upon 1 plus a into dz, which is equal to, here we get dx plus 1 upon a into dy. Okay, now integrating, we get z square upon 2 into 1 plus a. Okay, this is equal to x plus 1 upon a, that is y upon a, plus integration constant is b. So which implies z square is equal to 2 into 1 plus a into bracket x plus y upon a plus b. So this is our complete integral of equation 1. Okay, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt up to here? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकतो.
No sir.
Okay. Now we have moved towards the next type number 3, third. Okay, so this is the type called it separable type. Okay, in this type, g is the function of xp to one side, which is equal to h is the function of y cube in another side. Okay, so we get the given partial differential equation of this type. Okay, so here we get f of x, y, z, p and q, which is equal to g of xp minus h of y cube is equal to 0. Okay, your given partial differential equation is of this type, g of xp minus h of y cube is equal to 0. That's the काय?
Sir, z is absent.
Any doubt?
Sir, z is absent na.
हा z is absent आहे. Very good. म्हणजे तुमचा f हा फंक्शन असा असेल, z absent असेल, f of x y z is equal to f of x y z p q is of the type g of x p minus h of y q. इथे z absent आहे, चालेल ना? Is it a function?
Yes, sir.
हा कळते आता. ओके, f of
Yes,
x y
sir.
असते ना आपण असं लिहू शकतो ना मी, f of x y is equal to x plus y raised to 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Our given partial differential equation is of the type g of xp minus h of yq. Okay. How to solve this? The auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equations are what is हे जेवढं तुम्ही टाइप एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व कराल तेव्हाच हे लक्षात राहील बघा ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन dx upon fp is equal to dy upon fq is equal to dz upon pfp plus qfq, okay, which is equal to minus dp upon minus dp upon fx plus
PFZ.
PFZ.
pfz na,
Yes.
which is equal to minus dq upon fx plus
Fy.
q
Fy.
fz. It's है ना?
FY, sir.
Fy, sir.
FY.
Fy plus. Okay. Now look at here. Here we get dx. Integrate, differentiate f with respect to p. Here we get fp is gp. Okay. Which is equal to dy upon. Tell me what is the derivative with respect to q? Partial derivative with respect to q. This
Minus H dash of YQ.
minus h q. Okay. Minus h q. Which is
Yes, sir.
equal to. Now look at here. dz upon pgp minus. Okay, the minus है ना q hq. Okay, which is equal to minus dp upon what is fx gx. Okay, अरे gx है हाई आना नहीं तुमसे gx plus pfz. Z terms is absent, so here we get 0.
0.
Plus 0 means only gx is there, which is equal to minus dq upon what is fy?
Minus HY.
HY.
Minus hy plus 0. Okay, so this is our auxiliary equation. Now consider the ratios, these two ratios, this one and this one. Consider the ratios dx upon gp is equal to minus dp upon gx. Okay, so here we get, which implies gx into dx plus gp into dp, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the derivative of what? G of xp, the derivative of function g of xp. Okay, total derivative, which is equal to 0. Integrating we get integrating, what we get? We get g is the function of xp is equal to a is the constant. Okay, similarly for these two ratios, which one? This one, hq and hy. Okay, similarly we get hq, sorry, h is the function of yq is equal to a. Okay, काहीतरी कॉन्स्टंट मिळेल तुम्हाला. ओके, समजा तुम्ही हा b जर कॉन्स्टंट घेतला तर काय होईल तुमचा g of xp is equal to काय y of h of yq. Okay, we have g of xp is equal to what? H of yq, then a is equal to b. That's why we assumed here both the constants same. Okay, so here h of yq is equal to also a. Now solving the equation for p and q, and from these two equations, solving the equation for p and q, we get Now, p is the function of xp, x and a. Small p is the function of, suppose this function is g. So this is the function of x and a. Okay. And also, what we get, q is equal to, suppose this function is h. This is the function of y and a. Okay. Any doubt up to here? So
No,
putting
sir.
p and q in dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. So what we get, dz is equal to, what is value of p? G is the function of x and a, dx plus q is the function of h of ya. Okay, this is dy. And then integrating we get integration we get z is equal to integration of g is the function of xa into dx plus integration of h is the function of ya into dy. So this is our, which is required complete integral, which is required complete integral of equation 1. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
सहसा एक्झामला येताना सेटला किंवा नेटला तर नाहीच प्रॉब्लेम होणार, हे नेटला खूप हार्ड असतात एक्झाम्पल पीडीचे. जेव्हा कधी सेटच्या क्वेश्चन पेपरमध्ये चारफेट्स मेथडवर जेव्हा एक्झाम्पल येईल, या शॉर्ट मेथडने सॉल्व्ह करायची. या 4 टाईपमध्येच कुठल्या तरी एका टाईपमध्ये तो एक्झाम्पल असायला हवा, कारण त्या पूर्ण ऑब्झर्व्हरी इक्वेशनचा वापर करून ते सॉल्व्ह करायला खूप वेळ लागतो. अशा वेळेस ते काय करतात, मग या 4 मेथडमध्ये शॉर्ट मेथडने पटकन एका मिनिटात सॉल्व्ह व्हायला हवे असेच एक्झाम्पल तिकडे देतो तुम्हाला. ओके, मग जेव्हा हा क्वेश्चन येईल, समजा हा क्वेश्चन आलाच, तर या 4 टाईपमध्ये तुम्ही कन्सिडर करू शकता त्याला. आधी काय बघणार, ह्या 4 टाईपमध्ये सुटतील का हे बघा. जर नाही सुटत असेल तर मग चारफेट मेथडने सॉल्व्ह करा. ओके, जर सेट देण्यास इच्छुक असाल तर तुम्ही. ओके, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1. Given partial differential equation is p square plus q square is equal to x plus y. Okay, which implies p square minus x, which is equal to q square minus, sorry, y minus q square. Okay, y minus q square. Now look at here, g is the function of xp here. This is the function of xp and this is the function of yq. Okay, so thus directly we putting g of xp is equal to a. What is g here? P square minus x is equal to a, which implies p is equal to, directly I can write square root of a plus x. Okay, and h of yq is equal to what? A, which implies y minus q square is equal to a, which implies q is equal to square root of y minus a. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Then tell me what is the complete integral. Putting the values of p and q in dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay, now tell me the answer. काही लोक सॉल्व्ह करताय, बाकीचे बघत बसताय, हे सुद्धा माहिती आहे मला. ओके, जे सोडू देईल त्यांचा फायदा आहे. इंटरनलला व्हॉट इज सेट म्हटल्यानंतर तुम्हाला आन्सर सांगता येत नाही. ओके, तो जरा म्हणजे आत्मपरीक्षण करा तुम्हीच, आपल्याला काय येते, आपण MSc करतोय, काय करतोय काय नाही. ओके, जे बाकीचे दोघं तिघं सोडवत आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी नाही म्हणत आहे, जे सोडवत नाहीत नुसतं ऐकताय बघतायत, ओके, त्यांच्यासाठी. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर? dz is equal to p is square root of a plus x into dx plus q y minus a into dy. Now integrating we get so this is integration dz. I can write this like this: a plus x raised to 1 by 2 into dx plus integration y minus a bracket raised to 1 by 2 into dy. What is the integration of this one? Is z is equal to
Z equal to 2 by 3 a plus x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3
bracket raised to 3 by 2. Okay,
plus 2 by 3 y minus a raised to 3 by 2.
this is 2 by 3 again, y minus a bracket raised to 3 by 2 plus b. Okay, which is complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No sir.
Okay, so we move towards the last type, Clairaut's form, type 4. This form also called Clairaut's form. Okay, the partial differential equation of the form z is equal to p into x plus q into y plus f is the function of pq. Okay, हे बेसिक ला बघितलं ना?
Yes, sir.
Z is the function, z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. F is the function of pq. Okay, now tell me what is the complete integral of this form is? काय येईल? टू पॅरामीटर फॅमिली
Z is equal to ax plus by.
सांगा सांगा, करेक्ट आहे.
Z is equal to ax plus by plus p is equal to a and q is equal to b.
Okay, putting p is equal to a and q is equal to p is equal to, we get directly the complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay, so here we get z is equal to ax plus by plus function of ab. Okay, so here the given partial differential equation is of the form z is equal to px plus qy plus f is the function of pq. Okay, give it as an equation number 1. Let us AB is complete integral of equation 1. Okay, what is the definition? To prove the given solution is complete integral, the given integral is complete integral. काय स्टेप 1 मध्ये काय करतो आपण? स्टेप 1, रँक ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स M2 असायला हवी ना? विसरलात सगळे. स्टेप नंबर 1, what is step number 1? Consider the two parameter family. What is two parameter family here? Z is equal to ax plus by plus f is the function of ab. Why this equation is called two parameter family?
The दोन are
Anyone knows?
constant.
Both constants.
दोन आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट म्हणजे टू पॅरामीटर फॅमिली आणि टू पॅरामीटर फॅमिलीलाच काय म्हणतो आपण कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल ओके now differentiate with respect to x and y this equation number 2 differentiate with respect to x and y we get what we get dou z by dou x what is dou z by dou x is small p which is equal to a okay and dou z by dou y what is dou z by dou y is q which is equal to b okay so this is our differential equation partial differential equation here p is equal to a and q is equal to b satisfies equation 1 okay म्हणून आपण p is equal to b differentiate with respect to x and y we get these values and this partial differential equation satisfies the equation 1 what is equation 1 z is equal to px plus qy plus f is the function of pq okay म्हणून आपण डायरेक्ट a is equal to p is equal to a and q is equal to b ठेवत होतो okay here p is equal to a and q is equal to b satisfies the equation 1 since what is right hand side RHS of the given equation is px plus qy plus f is the function of pq okay which is equal to what is we get wait wait a minute wait a minute what is the right hand side px plus qy plus f is the function of fq okay now putting p is equal to a and q is equal to b here we get ax plus by plus f is the function of a and b now okay so what is the equation on this is equal to z okay z is equal to x plus y plus f is the ab okay f is the function of ab which is equal to left hand side okay hence the given equation z is equal to ax plus by plus cz satisfies the given partial differential equation okay now I have to prove that the rank of matrix M is 2 why because I have to prove that the given equation given solution given integral is complete integral step number 2 okay the rank of matrix which matrix matrix M is equal to tell me what is the matrix कोणता मॅट्रिक्स आहे एम पाहिले थेरी बघताना एफ ए एफ बी फर्स्ट कॉलम इज एफ ए एफ बी सेकंड कॉलम इज एफ एक्स ए एफ एक्स बी थर्ड कॉलम इज
FYA, FYB.
FYA, FYB, which is equal to. Now tell me what is the value of FA? F here the F is there. F is equal to Px plus Qy is function of PQ. What is FA? Here. हा इक्वेशन तुम्हाला प्रूव्ह करायचं ना कुठला हा आलेला आताच capital F आहे. We get x. FP is y. Okay. What is fx?
Sir, what is capital F?
कॅपिटल एफ हा आहे तुमचा दिलेला हा आलेला फंक्शन. इथे जर मायनस झेड घेतला हा तुमचा कॅपिटल एफ झाला. ओके.
Yes, sir.
एफ ऑफ एक्स वाय ए आलेला इंटिग्रल तुमचा हा काय ए एक्स प्लस बी वाय प्लस एफ ऑफ ए बी मायनस झेड. ओके. हा तुमचा ए एक्स प्लस बी वाय प्लस एफ प्लस मायनस झेड. एफ एक्स काय येणार तुमचा कॅपिटल एफ एक्स आधी ए येणार. देन एफ एक्स ए इज 1. ओके. एफ एक्स ए काय आला तुमचा एफ एक्स ए आलाय. देन एफ एक्स बी काय येणार 0. कळतंय का काही?
येस सर.
एफ एक्स काय येतोय ए येतोय. एफ एक्स ए काय येतोय पुन्हा ह्याला डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए करा काय येतोय 1. ओके. एफ नेक्स्ट काय काढायचं तुम्हाला एफ वाय. व्हॉट इज एफ वाय? बी. ओके.
बी.
एफ वाय बी किती येईल 1 येईल आणि एफ वाय ए किती येईल
0.
एफ वाय इज 0.
येईल. ओके. So here we get 0 and 1. Okay, now tell me the rank of this matrix. Okay, I get it is the matrix of order 2 cross 3. So I get the maximum order of determinant which is not equal to 0. This one is. Okay. So this is the identity matrix such that the determinant of this matrix is not equal to 0. Hence the rank of the matrix is 2, which is equal to number of independent variable. What are the independent variable? X and y. Okay. Hence equation 2. What is the complete integral of given equation? Okay. Equation 2 is complete integral of given partial differential equation. Okay. Any doubt?
हॅलो सर. तिथं एफ ऑफ ए
काय अडचण काय?
तिथं मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये एफ ऑफ ए म्हणजे डिफरन्शिएशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए सांगितलं ना. तर एफ ऑफ ए बी पण एफ ऑफ ए बी मध्ये पण ए ए आहे ना.
एफ काय येणार तुमचा एक्स. करेक्ट. म्हणून इथे एक्स लिहिला आहे. एफ बी किती येणार एफ बी डिफरन्शिएट दिस वाय विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बी. सो हियर वी गेट वाय म्हणून इथे वाय लिहिलं आहे. ओके. आता मला व्हॅल्यू कशाची हवी आहे एफ एक्स.
Sir, the function f of x is the function of ab na. So differentiating with respect to x f dash of ab.
एक्स ने त्याला डिफरन्शिएट करा. ते कुठे आवाज येत नाही तुमचा जोरात बोला थोडा. काही डाऊट आहेत का? एनी डाऊट?
Sir, f is the function of ab.
ही व्हॅल्यू काढून तुम्हाला इथे पुट करायचं. हा एफ
त्याला
इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ए
differentiate
हियर.
केलं
इथे का?
हाँ yes sir.
हा येऊ दे ना काही पण येऊ दे. ओके. एफ इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ए बी. आधी एफ एक्स करा ना. आधी एफ एक्स ना डिफरन्शिएट करा. एफ एक्स ने डिफरन्शिएट केल्यानंतर काय येईल तुम्हाला एक्स येईल. मग ह्याला डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए केल्यावर काय येईल इथे 1. ओके.
सर तो प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये. पहिल्यांदा आपण जेव्हा एफ ए काढतो ना तेव्हा एफ ए
हा.
काढताना ए एक्स प्लस बी वाय प्लस एफ ऑफ ए बी मायनस झेड हे इक्वेशन आहे ना आपल्याला लिहिलेलं. मग एफ ए काढताना आपण फक्त ए कसं काय लिहू
ओके, ओके,
शकतो?
हा.
एफ ऑफ ए बी मध्ये पण ए आहे असं विचारायचं.
इथे एफ डॅश ऑफ ए बी असं येणं म्हणायचं तुम्हाला.
एफ डॅश ऑफ ए बी यायला हवं ना.
एफ डॅश ऑफ ए बी असं यायला पाहिजे. हो ना. असंच म्हणते तू एक्स प्लस एफ डॅश ऑफ ए बी. हा येऊ दे ना. आला तरी काय प्रॉब्लेम होणार नाही. ह्याचा आपल्याला कुठे संबंध नाही. ह्याचा कुठेच उपयोग होणार नाही आपल्याला. ओके. या कॉलमचा कुठेच उपयोग नाही आहे तरी आला तरी काही अडचण नाही. एक्स प्लस काय येईल तिकडे एफ डॅश ऑफ ए बी येईल. हो ना, असंच म्हणायचं आहे ना तुम्हाला.
येस सर.
येस सर.
ओके. हां, आलं तरी आपल्याला ह्या दोन मधून आपल्याला रँक काढायची. रँक म्हणजे काय करायचं आहे, मॅक्सिमम ऑर्डर काढायचे ज्याचं डिटर्मिनंट काय पाहिजे, नॉन झिरो पाहिजे. ओके, हेन्स द रँक ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स इज 2. then the given equation is the complete integral of the given partial differential equation. Okay, now look at the example number 1. ZPQ is equal to P square into Q into bracket X plus Q plus P into Q square into y plus q. एक्झाम्पल देताना सरळ देणार नाही तुम्हाला, फसवण्यासाठी असं देतील. ओके, हे सॉल्व्ह केल्यानंतर काय येईल, z इज इक्वल टू डिवाइडिंग बाय पी क्यू टू द इक्वेशन गिवन इक्वेशन. दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर 1. हियर वी गेट p into x plus q प्लस काय येईल नंतर इकडे q प्लस q into y plus q. Okay, then I get this one is px plus pq. This is yq, qy in plus the pa.
Q square.
Okay, the p is there plus pq, which is equal to px plus qy plus 2pq. Okay, so here z is the function of z is equal to px plus qy plus 2pq. Okay, have 2y बर 2pq. So this is px plus qy plus f is the function of pq. So what is the complete integral? What is the complete integral? Z is
Equal to a,
to
q equal
ax plus py plus 2ab. Directly answer it. Okay, so this is the complete integral of the given partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt up to here? ऍक्च्युली असे छोटे एक्झाम्पल सेटला विचारतात, कारण की आतापर्यंत जेवढे एक्झाम्पल बघितले ते 1 किंवा 2 मिनिटात सुटणारे नाही आहेत. ओके, जर पटकन सुटायचे असतील तर हेच टॉपिक तुम्हाला इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. ओके, एनी डाउट अप टू हियर?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, wait a minute.
सर रिकॉर्डिंग क्लोज करा ना, बोलायचं सर.
Wait a minute.